Hey guys, Future Ford Engineer here with some crazy stunts with my brand new Cybertruck Part 2. We are going to push it to the limits with jumps, car pushing tests, strength tests, and even traffic tests. And it is going to get pretty crazy. So first, we gotta start off by turning it on. There, it's on. And so first we're gonna start with a jump. We're going to see if it can jump that big jump. I'm gonna see if it can jump it. I'm gonna see if the Cybertruck can jump it in 3, 2, 1. The Cybertruck well over jumped it. It well over jumped that. So I'm gonna put the Cybertruck back on the track. We have our remote. And next are the rubber duckies. So we're gonna take that out. And then we're gonna put the rubber duckies on. And now we're going to see if it can jump the rubber duckies. Alright, the rubber duckies are too close. It didn't have a chance. That jumped it, and it landed it. Jumped it and landed it, so we're gonna swipe those out of the way. We're going to see if it can jump a whole Minecraft book. So we're gonna oh, it's right on the edge. Oh, that jumped it. That jumped it. That counts as a jump. That counts as a jump. So next, we're going to get not too terribly insane, but we're going to put a Sonic car, a monster truck, and a semi. And then now we're going to see if it can jump it. Right on the edge there again. Oh man, it died. So it died halfway through the video. So this is the Cybertruck. Remember, you can get it off of Amazon for $29, including tax. And yeah, I was really hoping to do the setup, and we'll have to do a part 3 to this since it died. Bummer. And I was waiting to do all this. We're not even at the main course yet. We haven't even gone halfway through jumping, but let me see if I can reconnect it. Hopefully it does. I'm sure it did. It started beeping again. I think that, guys, this may be the end of today's video. Yep, I've been trying my all, but think that this is all it will get to. I tried my best to keep it working, but hope y'all enjoyed the video, and stay tuned because we'll definitely have to do another video. We're not even at the main course yet, but I was really excited to do that. And like, we have all those cars. That's about 40 cars right there. And that's a whole bin of them. It's a whole bin of them. And it died 5 minutes, 36 seconds into the video. But this is the end of today's video. Bye.